Hello guys, watch this video to the end and see the stress our local farmers go through every single year in some parts of Africa. Comment your thoughts, share, and let us appreciate these men and women that goes through all this every single year just to put food on their table.
This is the very place. So you see it has been tilled. Then the only thing that is remaining now is to cast it. This is the rice for casting. As you see, it has been soaked in the water and kept for days to germinate, to cast out some germination before casting. This is what you're seeing here.